there's one that's coning out to the left.
Oh, I see it. That's so far away.
I can't see right now. Trees. There's some trees. It's coming back up a little bit. At the very end of it, there's a funnel coming out.
There's two
Funnels.
There's a funnel.
There, right there. There it is. It is touchdown.
Look. Is that
Right there. Yes, it is. It is.
Tornado damage right in front of us.
It's touchdown. I'm watching it.
Oh, there it is right there.
Yeah, right there.
Train around. Look at this. Film this damage.
Should I go left?
Got it.
That there?
That's tornado damage.
Yes, up ahead, it's 64, and make a left. Oh, look at the motion. Yeah. They got cops over there.
They're on their way over there.
Got 64 right there. So we're gonna left.
Okay, I think all we got's rain going right now.
No, it's rotating. Look, it's coming down right there.
Oh, now it's coming down again.
It's strengthening.
It's on the ground. It's on the ground. I see all the shit. Yeah.
Last one, then we'll definitely head back.
That is going to be a huge tornado here in a second.
There's a funnel coming down. 2 funnels coming down.
Yeah.
The whole thing is rotating. It's merging together. It's coming down. Yep.
There's 3. There's 3. You see them?
Yep, multi-vortex.
They're going together.
Multi-vortex, take a left. Definitely.
Look at those 2 right here too.
Yep.
Wow.
That one's on the ground. The one on the very right hand side. There it is. Full cone to the ground.
Oh, I see it. There's another one. Oh no, that's what wires to see.
I don't see no full cone.
I think it is, dude. Right there, beyond those silos.
There it is. The whole.
I see 4 funnels, but I don't see any cones.
I see a cone. I have it right here. On video.
No, they're not going to shut down the road. They're going to head that way.
There's another funnel coming down right now.
Yeah, I got that. It's going. Oh, that one's touching.